Dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and we are in inverse trigonometric functions. This is third class, okay, and 8 questions we have finished until now. In this class, we are going to finish question number 9 to 12, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay. See, Eamcet 2008 question. If sin inverse of 3 by x plus sin inverse of 4 by x is equal to pi by 2, then what is the value of x, like they are asking? Okay, we know one formula. Sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. That means this also should be same 3 by x but cos inverse. Then only pi by 2 will come. Then we will write that same. Let's see how I am writing. We also can write like this. See, sin inverse of 3 by x plus cos inverse of 3 by x is equal to pi by 2. Is it okay? Why? Because sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. Now this is matched. What we have to do? These two are equal, like you have to think. That means say implies sin inverse of 4 by x is equal to cos inverse of 3 by x. Okay? Now we have to see how to do it and all. Okay? Let us proceed further. See, this you take as a, this you take as, both you can take as a. Why? Because both are equal. Okay? See how I am taking now. Okay? Okay. See, sin inverse of 4 by x means, shall I take like this? You see, 4 by x. 4 by x. Okay? And see, this is cos inverse of 3 by x. 3 by x. What we are going to understand here? 5, that's all. X they are asking. X is 5. Okay? X is 5. Then only this is possible. 3, 4, 5. 3 square plus 4 square under root is equal to 5. Directly you can write if you know this right angle triangle formula. Okay? Or else again you have to go, what we can say, several steps and all. That is not required. Directly you apply this method. This is very easy. Okay? Let us go for next question. Okay, see, question number 10. Good question. Observe carefully here. You should know what we can say. Geometric progressions. See, in NCERT, arithmetic progression, geometric progressions are there. They are little bit well conversed with this type of questions. But what we are having, our what is the drawback in IPE, intermediate, we don't have this in syllabus. Even though they have included in the book in last chapters and all, but they have given clearly this is not for IPE examination. But no students are going to read those, and such type of question comes means they are not able to do it. Okay? Observe carefully how I am doing this. Okay. Now you see, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, we know. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. If sin inverse of this plus cos inverse of this is equal to pi by 2 means these should be x. That means what we can understand here, we can understand x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 4 minus should be equal to, of course, up to infinity. X square minus x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 6 by 4 minus up to infinity. Is it okay? First you see analogy. Okay, definitely okay. Why? Because if these two are equal, then only sin inverse of this, cos inverse of this is equal to pi by 2. Now you have to solve this series, geometric series. See how I am writing. If this series I am taking first. You see, A you take as x first, then what will be R? Geometric progression or geometric series. That means see, minus x square by 2 divided by x by 1. That is equal to minus x square by 2 into x. Y by 1 by x. See, x will completely go away, minus x by 2 will come. See, we have seen only for first term. That means first and second term. Let us see this whether it is applicable for this column or not. or else r is going to change. X cube by 4 divided by, but minus you have to keep, by because minus is there, don't forget. Okay, now you see 2 times goes x square completely go, x will come, that means minus x by 2. That means see minus x by 2 minus x by 2 r is matched. Okay, then what is the sum? Well, because this is sum only, na? Sum only up to infinity, sum. That means sum is equal to a by 1 minus r. Okay, that is there for both this and that series also. Shall I write that series also? Okay, see how I am writing. Now for that series, second series, a will be x square, first term. Okay, this you have to know what is first term, what is common ratio. This is first term, this is common ratio. Up to infinity means sum a by 1 minus r. Okay, I can't say all this again. Okay, I will write like this only, or else you read that in that book, that chapter. Okay, now go for second one. A is equal to x square. Okay, r is equal to minus x to the power of 4 by 2 divided by x square. That means into 1 by x square. X square by 1, 1 by x square. You see, these two you don't do, but this 2 times. That means minus x square by 2. Go for next also. See, x to the power of 6 by 4 into 2 by minus x to the power of 4. 2 times goes this minus x square by 2. Both are same. That means see here. Okay, now see both formula is same for both. Now see sum I am writing. These two sums are equal. Equal means see x by 1 minus r. R is how much? Minus x by 2. Minus of minus plus x by 2 is equal to y. These two are equal to how made? This sum. This sum means see a is x square by 1 minus r. Minus of x square by 2 plus x square by 2. Okay? Comma you keep. See 2 plus x by 2. This 2 goes top. 2x by 2 plus x. 2 plus x divided by 2. This 2 goes top. 2 plus x divided by 2. Okay? Is equal to 2 plus x square divided by 2. 2 plus x square divided by 2. This 2 goes top. Then you cancel out these 2 and you cross multiply. 2x plus x cube. 2x plus x cube is equal to 2x square plus x cube. Cancel out these two, x cube same. Okay. Now you see 2x, 2 also you can cancel out. I will write. Why? Because you are going to get confusion. 2x is equal to 2x square. Then you cancel out 2 also. That means x square minus x is equal to 0. X if you take common, x minus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus x square minus x. See, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. But go back, x should not be 0. Here they have not given like this equal to. That is why you should not take this step. Okay? Then what is the answer? X is equal to 1 is your answer. X is equal to 0, you should not take. X should be greater than 0, less than root 2, 1.414. Okay? Now, let us go for next question. Okay. See, question number 11. Sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of 1 minus x is equal to cos inverse of x. Then what is the set of x? X belongs to two values they have given. Okay. This is set means these two values only have to take. This is not what we can say. See, these are different. Minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1, minus 1, 1. Okay. These two are limits. Minus 1 to plus 1 but open interval. Minus 1 to plus 1 but closed interval. Minus 1 and plus 1 both you can take. In between also you can take. But this is not. This is set. Minus 1, 1 only you have to take. This is the meaning. Okay. Now let us go back for our question. What is the x value like they are asking? You see, we can do with our remaining question and all, like what was in the remaining procedure, but that will take time. What I will tell, logically you think this question and put the answer. But because sometimes don't do answers, You simply substitute and get the answer. Now you tell me, these two includes cos inverse x. X means, so naturally, let me tell, -1 to +1. Okay, that means cos inverse of -1 or cos inverse of +1. Beyond that we should not give. But is it acceptable too? Straight away you mark this. Okay? Now you go for here. Why? Because see here 0, 1, +1, -1 are there. First you give 1. Why? Because here 1 is there, here 1 is there, here 1/2 only is there. Okay? 1 if it satisfies, then you can see another 1. Or else it doesn't satisfy, directly you can go there. That is the advantage. Okay? See, I am giving 1. Sin inverse of 1 plus sin inverse of 1 minus 1. Okay? X value. Sin inverse of 1 means pi/2. Sin inverse of 0 means 0. Okay? That means pi/2 will be your answer for LHS. Then what about RHS? Cos inverse of 1, 0. 0 is not equal to pi/2. That means these two you cancel out. How we have eliminated, you understand? Then directly put this answer. Why? Because you don't have any other option. For verification I am going to tell that also. But now what method I have told you, do you understand? Okay, simply one with basic knowledge you have eliminated. Remaining you observe which one you have to test like. Then you test 1, 1, 1. Okay, the value -1 to 1 is there. Then you test with 1. Why? Because directly by seeing itself we came to know cos inverse 1 is 0 degree. Sin inverse 1 is pi/2. Pi/2 this side, 0 that side, not equal. That is why directly we can go for this answer. Now I am going to put this also. You see 0 and 1/2 both should satisfy. Okay? 0 and 1/2 both should satisfy. Okay, now see sin inverse 0 plus sin inverse 1 minus 0 means 1. That is equal to pi/2. This is LHS. What about RHS? Cos inverse 0. See, cos 0 is 1, but cos 90 is 0. That means pi/2. LHS and RHS matched, but only for 0. What about 1/2? 1/2 also you go. Sin inverse 1/2 plus sin inverse 1 minus 1/2. Again 1/2. That is equal to 30 degree. 30 degree plus 30 degree. That is equal to 60 degree. This is LHS. Now go for RHS. Cos inverse 1/2. In cos 1/2 will come at 60 degree. You understand the logic? See, this verification we have done, not required. Why? Because 3 are eliminated means fourth one is your answer. Okay, you don't have any other option. Let us go for next question. Okay, see, tan inverse 1/2√2 plus sin inverse 1/√3 is equal to cos inverse of x. Then what is the value of x, like they are asking? Okay, answers they have not, they have given, I have not written. 1/√3 will come, but we get without those answers we get plus or minus 1/√3. By seeing itself plus or minus 1/√3 you can put plus 1/3, or else logical even if you go also, whenever plus comes, whenever minus comes also, you know very well. Why? Because see, tan may come plus or minus when both are positive or negative, but sin will come positive means automatically opposite and hypotenuse both should be positive, then only it will come. Okay, that logic and all we need not see now. Why? Because see, based on question we will see. Now let me do the question in shortcut method. Okay, see how I am doing. Tan inverse 1/2√2 means, see how I am drawing the figure. Simply. Okay, here also I am drawing the figure. 3 figures I am drawing. Okay, you see, tan means 1/2√2. Okay, here also sin means 1/√3. Cos means x/1. You understand? Remaining you calculate. See, 2√2 whole square 8. plus 1, 9, 1 square actually, 1 square, 8 plus 1 square, 9 square, under root 3. Okay, but here root 3 already there. Then you have to get this. How? Root 3 square minus 1 square under root. Root 3 square means 3, minus 1 square means 1, 3 minus 1, 2, under root means root 2. Come here also, 1 square minus x square under root, 1 minus x square under root, that's all. 1 minus x square under root. Okay? Now, simple logic. Why? Because see, both you take tan inverse form only. Why? Because tan inverse formula we know. Okay? Let us take tan inverse of, this also you can take in tan inverse. Okay, see, tan inverse of 1 by 2 root 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by root 2 is equal to, this is what? Tan inverse of 1 minus x square under root by x. Okay? Then you can get the x value. Okay, see here, tan inverse of 1 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by root 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 root 2 into 1 by root 2. That is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus x square under root by x. Okay, now proceed further then. See, now this tan inverse you cancel out. Don't require. Okay, now you see root 2 plus 2 root 2, 3 root 2 divided by 4. Why? Because root 2 into 2 root 2, root 2 root 2, 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Divided by 4, you need not write, cancel out. Okay? That means, see, this is root 2. Root 2 is equal to 1 minus x square under root by x. Then cross multiply. Root 2 x is equal to 1 minus x square under root. Okay? 1. Square both sides. 2x square is equal to 1 minus x square. Why? Because if you square, this will come. Root 2 square, 2, x square, 1 minus x square under root square, square and root cancel out, 1 minus x square. Then you bring this that side, 2x square plus x square is equal to 1. 3x square is equal to 1. X square is equal to 1 by 3. X is equal to 1 by root 3. See, plus or minus also will come, but answer they have given only 1 by root 3. Specifically, if you go, when sine becomes positive, when tan becomes positive, cot becomes positive, we know very well. Tan is going to become positive when both are positive, sine and cos. Okay? Or else not possible. These basic rules are there. That is why you have to take 1 by root 2 plus only. But in answer, they have given only plus 1 by root 3. Okay? Now, we go for next class for finishing 4 more questions. Thank you very much.